Oh, eating from her hand. Whoa. Jensen, don't go too close. Very slowly. Very slowly. Very slowly. Eating from Jensen's hand.
Do you want some? Get in there, Jess. You know you want to. Oh. Hello. Hi, buddy. Jesse's got himself a little bird friend. Oh, really, Cece? Oh, look at you.
Yeah.
No, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come here.
Look at you. Oh, very skittish.
No, not really.
No?
Oh my god, babe.
Holy shit.
Who you?
It's her.
Yeah, her. Give me it. Why is your pants down?
Good boy, Jensen.
There she is.
Which one caught?
At the back.
Oh, yeah, yeah. This is amazing.
This is so cool. Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, don't scare him, Cece. Let them come to you. Let them come to you.